They're big. They pick up babies and fly away. And she looks at me. I'm like, yeah.
And right away, I'm like, I'm just kidding. I forgot. Six, 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 six. That's terrible. 6, 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 8, 7, 8, 11. Sure. Oh, we're rolling. We're live.
Yeah, because we were all singing it because we had
That's creepy.
Hope you're not claustrophobic.
It's like a castle. Going up more?
Yeah, she said she's gonna try to. I don't know.
Oh, it's gonna get louder, Drew. Yeah. It gets tiny and tinier.
Yeah.
Won't be a big guy coming up here.
This is where. Oh, I forgot about the. I might have the eggs. Erica, the
It's loud in there.
I noticed.
Is that a brewery right there? World on the side.
Oh, that's the Heineken.
Oh, is that Heineken?
It's a little wet there.
Oh, dude. Just all over the place.
So, okay, so there's this Beamish. Have you guys heard of Beamish? Okay, that was brewed here in Cork, and that factory was over there.
Okay.
And then they had this factory right down here. That's what like all that is.
Yeah.
And that bought out in like 2009. So like Beamish and Heineken. And like, I don't know. I've been trying to figure that out, and it doesn't. If you can, it's not advertised very much.
Oh yeah. Just walk down there and just start.
Just knock on the door. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I'm here for the tour. We'll be down in a little bit. Hi!
Life is beautiful, but life is short. So always remember that you need to enjoy the special things that you find in life. From your cup of coffee to your beautiful wife. And take your time, take your time, take your time. Take all of your sweet, sweet time.